Okay, now let us solve the previous year question papers, questions related to the chapter Arithmetic Progression. Let's start with March 2026 examination. See, in an AP, if AN is 2n plus 1, then the common difference is a 1 mark question, so you have to solve it as early as possible. There we have to find the common difference, D ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, AN ಒಂದಿದ್ನ expression ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So let us find the first and second term. So the first term A1 will be 2 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2 plus 1, 3, and second term A2 will be 2 into 2 plus 1, which is equal to 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. So the common difference is 5 minus 3. So its answer is 2. Here children, you have to be careful. Sometimes what will happen is they will give minus 2 and plus 2 also. You have to always find the common difference as A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, or A3 minus A2, like this. Okay, the next question. If the first term of an AP is A and the last term is AN, then write the formula to find the sum of first n terms. You know the formula, which is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is number of terms. You have to write all these legends. Okay, what is A you have to write, and what is D you have to explain. Next, find the sum of first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression using formula. So we have sum of first 20 terms. So we have n is equal to 20, A is equal to 5, and D is equal to 8 minus 5. You have to take 8 minus 5, which is 3. We know the formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S20 is equal to 20 by 2 into 2 into 5 plus n is 20, 19 into 3 equals to 10. 5 2s are 10 plus 19 3s are is 19, 23s are 60, so this will be 57, 60, so 670. S20 is 670. Or they have said, there is one more or question, I will solve this also. Find the number of terms of the AP. AP is what? Find the number of terms of the AP. 100, 96, 92, 100, 96, 92, so on up to 12. So here the last term is 12. So AN is equal to 12. We have to find n is what? We know the formula for AN is A plus n minus 1 into D is 12. Here we have, what is A? A is the first term, which is equal to 100, and D is 96 minus 100 is equal to minus 4. So if you substitute this here, we get 100 plus n minus 1 into minus 4 is equal to 12. N minus 1 into minus 4 is equal to 12 minus 100, which is equal to minus 88. N minus 1, so n minus 1 is equal to minus 88 by minus 4, minus minus cancels, 22. So n is equal to 23. So there are 23 terms. The last question. The seventh term of an AP. The seventh term of an AP the seventh term of an AP is 4 times its second term. That means, let us write it mathematically. Seventh term is 4 times its second term, and the 12th term A12 is 2 more than thrice the 4th term. So the second part of the sentence, it says, I will repeat, its second term, sorry, the AP 4 times, 7th term is 4 times its second term. 7th term is 4 times its second term, and the 12th term is 2 more than, ಎರಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, thrice its 4th term, ಅಂದರೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ದು 3 ಪಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಸೇರಿಸಿದರೆ A12 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ A7, ವಿ ನೋ AN is equal to A plus N minus 1D. So from this we get A plus 6D is equal to 4 times A plus D, or A plus 6D is equal to 4A plus 4D. If you bring this side, we get minus 3A plus 2D is equal to 0. This is one equation. From this we get A12 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What is A12? A12 is A plus 11D is equal to 2 plus thrice of A plus 3D, or A plus 11D is equal to 2 plus 3A plus 9D. So if you bring these to this side, we get minus 2A plus 2D is equal to 2. I think this problem is same problem somewhere 57th or 58th problem in LBA, they are given as it is. Okay, so we have one equation, minus 3A plus 2D is equal to 0, and another equation, minus 2A plus 2D is equal to 2. So I will subtract these two, this becomes plus, this is minus, this is minus. So we get minus A is equal to minus 2, therefore A is equal to 2. We substitute this in this, we get minus 2 into 2 plus 2D is equal to 2. Therefore we get 2D is equal to minus 4 akade hodre plus 4 agutte, 6D is equal to 3. What have they asked for? Find the progression. So the progression will be 2, 5, 8, 11, so on. So very easy questions they have asked in March 2026. Now let us come to March 2025. Okay, here the 1 mark question. The common difference of the AP, common difference will be A2 minus A1, which is equal to minus 3 minus of minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Children, be careful here. Most of the children you get confused and you write it as plus 2. It is not plus 2, it is minus 2. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the AP. So we have 20 terms. Formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So 20 terms means n is 20 by 2 into a is 5, 2 into 5 plus n is 20 minus 1 is 19 into common difference is 9 minus 5 is equal to d, which is equal to 4. 9 into 4. So we get 10 into 5 2s are 10 plus 19 into 4, 20 to 4 is 8. So we get 77. 19 4s are 76. 9 4s are 36, 6 3 carries 76. So 86. So the answer is 860. Okay, now next question. An arithmetic progression consists of 16 terms. So that means we have n is equal to 16. The sum of all its term is 768. So S16 is 768. If the last term of the progression is 93, so L is equal to A16 is equal to 93, then find the arithmetic progression. Also show that the, okay, it's also, let's take it separately. First we will find the AP. So we have got L is equal to 93. Whenever you got the last term and the n, what you can do to find the first term is you use this formula. Sn is n by 2 into a plus L. First term plus last term into n by 2. So S16 is equal to 768 is equal to 16 by 2 into, we don't know L, we don't know A, and L is 93. So 2 1s are 2 8s are. So 768 divided by 8 is equal to A plus 93. 8 9s are 72. 8 8 2 6, 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48. 96 is equal to A plus 93. Therefore, A is equal to 96 minus 93 is equal to 3. We got A as 3. Now, using the other formula, what is the other formula we have? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. We can either use this, we have to find d, or we can also say that the last term a16 is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. We have a16 is 93, a is 3 plus 16 minus 1 into d. This comes this side, it becomes 93 minus 3 is equal to 15d. d is equal to 90 by 15, which is equal to 6. So, we get d is equal to 6. Alright. So, the AP becomes, what is A? A is 3. So, the AP is 3 plus 6, 9 plus 6, 15 plus 6, 21 and so on. Okay. Now, let us read the second part of the question. Second part, what does it say? Show that the sum of all the terms of this progression, that means iದೇನು progression ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು sum, do we know this sum? Yes, we know this sum, it is already given that this sum of this is Sn is 768. Now, we have to show that this is equal to 3 times, we have to show that this sum 768 is equal to 3 times the sum of first 16 odd natural numbers. Sum of first 16 odd natural numbers. First 16 odd natural numbers. So, let us find this sum. So, sum of first 16 odd numbers. So, what are the first 16 odd natural numbers? These numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. We have n is equal to 16. So, 16 numbers kelidare. This is a AP, A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 2. So, therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So, we have sum is S16 is equal to 16 by 2 into 2 into 1 plus 16 minus 1 into d is 2. So, we have 2 ones are 2, 8s are 8 into 2 plus 15 2s are 30. So, this is 32, 32 into 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 is 24 plus 1 25. This is 26. Okay. Also, 256 into 3 times is equal to, we have 8 1 carry, 6 1 carry, 768. This is also 768. Hence, it is shown. Okay. Now, let us go to the next exam paper, that is the second examination of 2025, which was conducted in May. May ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. The first MCQ, it is very simple. Formula connecting an, Sn and Sn minus 1 is this one. An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. The last term is equal to sum of the all the terms minus the sum of the one less term. Okay, now, find the sum of first 20 terms. So, we have n is equal to 20, a is 1 and common difference is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So, this is equal to 20 by 2 into 2 into 1 is 2 plus 19 into 3 is 3. 19 into 3 will be 20 into 3 60. So, 57. 57 plus 2 is 57 plus 2 is, this is 59. 2 ones are 2 tens are. So, S20 is 590. Okay, now let us come to the next question. In an AP, seventh term is 5 times, seventh term is 5 times its second term, 5 times its second term, okay, and the fifth term is 1 less than twice the third term. ಅಂದರೆ ಐದನೇ ಟರ್ಮು ಮೂರನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಎರಡು ಪಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಮೂರನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಎರಡು ಪಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೂರನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, A3, ಅದರದ್ದು ಎರಡು ಪಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ twice less than the third term. If you reduce 1 to that, then you get fifth term, or fifth term is 1 less than twice the third term. So to find the AP and the 15th term, two equations we have got. Now what is AN? We know AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Therefore A7 becomes A plus 6D is equal to 5 times A plus D, or A plus 6D is equal to 5A plus 5D. So ಇದು ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ minus 4A plus D is equal to 0. ಇದು ಒಂದು equation ಇದೆ, which is the one more equation we have, this one. So A5 will be A plus 4D is equal to twice of A3 is A plus 2D minus 1. So A plus 4D is 2A plus 4D minus 1. I'll bring these to this side. It becomes minus A, 4D cancel agate, is equal to minus 1. So we get directly A is equal to 1. So if you put A is equal to 1 here, we get minus 4 plus D is equal to 0. D is 4. So the AP is 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, 9, 13, so on. Also they have said find the 15th term of this progression. So A15 will be A plus 14D is equal to A is 1 plus 14 into 4. 14 4s are 56 plus 1 is equal to 57. 15th term is 57. Next, the formula to find the sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers, that is, what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. So this forms an AP with A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 1. We know Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So n by 2 into A is 1, 2 plus n minus 1 into D is also 1. So we get n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. So we get n by 2 into n plus 1. So the sum Sn is equal to n by 2 into n plus 1. So the answer is n by 2 into n plus 1. Okay. Next question. The nth term of an arithmetic progression is 2n plus 3. Find the common difference. Common difference ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? We have to find two consecutive terms. So let us find A1 and A2. Given an is equal to 2n plus 3. So A1 will be 2 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 5, and A2 will be 2 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 to the 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. So therefore common difference D is equal to 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Okay. Find the sum of first 16 terms of the AP. They want 16 terms of the AP. So we have n is equal to 16. Here A is equal to 1 and D is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 16 by 2 into 2 plus n is 16. So n minus 1 is 15 into D is 4. 2 8s are 15 4s are 60 plus 2 is 62. 8 into 62, which is equal to 8 is 48, 496. Similarly, let's add a page to this. We have our question. An arithmetic progression having positive common difference. Okay, there is the D is positive. This means positive common difference means D is positive. Consists of 20 terms. So N is 20. We have N as 20. The sum of its first term and last term is 59. So A plus last term is 59. They have given sum of its first term and last term is 59. The difference of its 8th term and 6th term is 6. Okay. Difference of 8th term and 6th term is 6. What they are asking, write the AP and also calculate the 10th term. Okay. We know N, we know this. We need to find D. So how do you want to do this? Think of all the formulas. See, first let us try to, is there any formula which consists of A plus L and N? Right? Sn we know. We know Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus L. So sum of all the terms will be 20 by 2 into 59. That is 590. So Sn is 590. We have Sn as 590. We also have one more formula we know for Sn. Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 D, or we can say 590 is equal to 20 by 2 into 2A plus 90 D. 2 ones are 2 tens are 10 is 0. So we get 2A plus 19D is equal to 59. This is one equation. Another equation we have is A8 minus A6 is 6. Okay. So let us take what is A8. A8 will be A plus 7D and A6 will be A plus 5D is equal to 6, or A plus 7D minus 8 minus 5D is 6. A is cancelled. 7D minus 5D is 2D is equal to 6. D is equal to 3. We use this here. We get, if we use D as 3 here, we get 2A into 19 into 3 is equal to 59. 19 3s is 57. 2A plus 57 is equal to 59. 2A is equal to 2. A is equal to 1. Therefore, the AP will be 1, 4, 7, 10, so and so. Also what they have asked, find the 10th term. Also calculate the 10th term. So we need A10, which is equal to A plus 9D is equal to A is 1 plus 9 into D is 3. 9 3 is 27, it will be 28. A10 will be 28. Let us take the OR part. OR part, what does it say? In an AP, the sum of first 3 terms is 24. So sum of first 3 terms, that is first 3 terms is how much? 24. The sum of second, fourth and sixth term is 0. Second, fourth and sixth term. Okay, I will do one thing. Okay, the sum of first 3 terms is 24. The sum of second, fourth and sixth term is 0. Find which term of the AP is minus 24. So AN is minus 24. We have to find N. Okay. So first 3 terms will be, let us write the 6 terms. There are 6 terms are there. Okay. So what, there are even number of terms are there. So what I will do is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. I will take the common difference to be 2D. Okay. So let A4 be A plus D and A3 be A minus D. A2 will be A minus 3D and A1 will be A minus 5D. Similarly, A5 will be A plus 3D and A6 will be A plus 5D. Let AP be this one. Okay. Now the sum of first three terms is 24. So what are the three terms? These three. That will be A minus 5D plus A minus 3D plus A minus D is 24. So we get 3A minus 6D is equal to 24. Keep this aside. Now second term, fourth term and sixth term. Sum of second, fourth and sixth term is 0. That is A minus 3D, A plus D plus A plus 5D is 0, or 3A minus 3D is equal to 0. So we get 3A minus 3D is equal to 0 as another equation. So if you subtract this, we get minus 3D is equal to 24, D is equal to minus 6. So the A, and now you substitute this here, we get 3A minus 3 into minus 6 as 0, 3A plus 6 is 18 is equal to 0, 3A is equal to minus 8, A is equal to minus 6. So the AP will be minus 6 minus 5 into minus 6, comma, minus 6, sorry, A minus 3 into D is minus 6, A minus D is minus 6 minus of minus 6, A plus 6 minus 6 plus of minus 6, minus 6 plus of 3 into minus 6, minus 6 plus 5 of minus 6. This is slightly a tricky question. So it becomes 6 5s are 30. So it is minus 36, comma, 60 is 18 plus 6 is minus 24, minus 12, 0, 12, 24 and 36. No, we have made a mistake. Minus 6 into minus 5 is plus 30. Okay. So this will be minus 24. Minus 6 into minus 3 is plus 18. Plus 18 minus 6 is plus minus 12, and this will be 0. This will be plus 30. 30 minus 6 is 24, comma. Similarly, 6 is 18. 18 minus 6 is 12. This will be 0. And so on. Minus 12, minus 24, 5. Okay, let us solve this. We will try to solve this in a different manner. Let's not assume it like this. It is not correct. I will take this out again. Let's do it once again. Okay. Sum of first three terms is 24. We will take it as a normal AP. So let the terms be a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma a plus 3d a plus 4d 1 2 3 4 5 and a plus 5d. First three terms is 24, that is a plus d plus a plus 2d is 24. So 3a plus 3d is 24, a plus d is 24 divided by 3 is 8. We got this one equation. Another equation is second term plus fourth term and sixth term. A plus d plus a plus 3d plus a plus 5d is 0. So we got 3a plus 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9d is 0, or a plus 3d is 0. So we got another equation. This is a very simple way. I made it complicated earlier. So a plus 3d is 0. If you subtract, we get minus 2d is equal to 8. So d is equal to minus 4. Now if you substitute this here, you get a plus 3 into minus 4 is 0. So a is equal to 12. Okay. So the AP is 12 comma 12 minus 4 is 8, 4, 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. Okay. This is not, 6 terms are there, so this is not required. Now let us check whether it is correct. First three terms is 24, 12 plus 8 for 4 is 24. Second, fourth and sixth, second, fourth and sixth is 0, 0. So this is right. All right. Now let's come to the next one. If 2x and 26 are in AP, then the value of x. This is very simple. Whenever we have three terms, the middle term will be the average of the left and the right term. So the middle term will be average of these two, that is x is equal to 26 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 14. In an AP, sum of first 6 terms and sum of first 5 terms are 78 and 55. Find the sixth term. What they have given, S6 is equal to 78, S5 is equal to 55. They have asked for sixth term, A6. We know formula AN is equal to Sn minus S minus 1. Therefore, A6 will be 78 minus 55, which is equal to 23. Similarly, find the sum of first 20 terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. So, they want S20. S20 is equal to 20 by 2, a is 1, 2 into 1 plus 19 into d is 4. We have solved this above. I think you will get the answer. Okay. Now, so this is also a simple one. The sum of first n terms Sn is equal to 210 and sum of n minus 1 terms is 171. So we get the last term An is equal to Sn minus 1, which is equal to 210 minus 171, which is equal to, here we get 29 plus 1, 39. So the last term An will be 39 and first term they have given A is 3. Find the AP. Now we want D, we want here. So we need D. So what do we do for D? An is nothing but A plus n minus 1 into D is 39. We have A as 3, 3 plus n minus 1 into D. We do not know n. Okay, so first we have to find n. To find n, we have another formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a. Again we need d in this formula, so we will use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So we have Sn 210 is equal to n by 2 into A is given 3 plus last term we have derived as 39. We have got this last term here. So 39 plus 3 is 42, 2 ones are 2, 20 ones are. So 210 divided by 21 is equal to n. So we get n is equal to 10. Now since we got n is equal to 10, let's find d. How do we find d? We have an is equal to 39 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 3 plus n is 10 minus 1 into d is 39. If this comes this side, it becomes 36. 36 is equal to 9d. So d is equal to 4. We got, then find the AP. So we have A as 3 and D as 4. So AP will be 3, 7, 11, 15 and so on. Also we have to find its 20th term. 20th term will be A20 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, or 3 plus 19 into 4. A20, 20th term will be 19 into 4 is 20 into 4 is 80. So 76 plus 3 is 79. I think this is a repeated question. Okay, and AP consists of 20 terms. If the first term is 2 and last term is 78, so we need to find last term they have given as 78. So we need to find D. It has 20 terms. So we know A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A n is how much? 20th term is 78. 78 is first term is 2 plus 20 minus 1 into D. So 78 minus 2 is 76 is 19 D. D is equal to 19 watts are 76, 4s are, D is 4. So if common difference is 4, the answer will be 2 plus 4 plus 4, this one. Find the sum of first 20 terms. I think you can do that. That is easier question. And AP contains 30 terms. We will solve this. And AP contains 30 terms. So n is equal to 30. 17th term A17 is 4 more than thrice its 5th term. If the 10th term is 31, find the last 3 terms and the AP. Okay. So we have A10 is equal to 31, or we have A plus 9D as 31. This is one equation we get from this. So A17 is what? A17 is A plus 16D is equal to 4 plus thrice of A5 is A plus 4D. So A plus 16D is equal to 4 plus 3A plus 12D. If this comes this side, it becomes minus 2A plus 4D is equal to 4, or minus A plus 2D is equal to 4. This is equation number 2. We will take this. So we have two equations. A plus 9D is equal to 31 and minus 2A plus 2D is equal to 4. If we add this, we get cancel. 11D is equal to 35. Have we made any mistake? Four more than thrice its 5th term. 5th term will be A plus 4D. 4 3s are 12. 16 minus 12. Okay, so if we add, 10th term is 31. So D is 35 by 11. Usually it will come 17th term A plus 16D is 4 more than thrice its 5th term. 5th term is A plus 4D. So A minus 3 is minus 2D, 16D minus 12D, so 4D, 4 minus A plus 2D is 4. Similarly, A10 is A plus so A plus 9D is 31. So minus A, if you add this, it will become n plus 2 11, d is equal to 35, d is 35 by 11. So it will be a little tedious work here. I doubt, I think there is some mistake here. Okay, let's leave this. If you get d as 35 minus by 11, then what will a be? So minus a plus twice of 35 by 11 is equal to 4. So minus a plus 70 by 11 is 4. So a will be 70 by 11 minus 4. A will be 70 minus 44. 26 by 11. In this case, a will be 26 by 11. So the AP will be, you have to keep on adding this. Find the AP. So AP will be 26 by 11, comma. Next it will be 26 plus 35 is 336, 61 by 11, then 96 by 11 and so on. I don't know, I think there is some mistake here. Leave it as it is. Okay. Write the formula. I think that's the easy one. The sum of first 10 terms and the sum of first 9 terms is 126. Find the, so this same thing, an is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So Sn is 155 minus 126. This will be the 9. Sum of first 20 terms. This is also easy. I think you can do this. 20 terms of AP. So here we have n is equal to 20, a as 2 and d as 3. So we have S20 is equal to 20 by 2 into twice of 2 plus n minus 1, 19 into d is 3. I think you can solve this. Okay. Person works in a shop from Monday to, okay, this question is very similar. This is a LBA question. So I think you can check it out from the LBA. Angles of the quadrilateral or in arithmetic progression. Okay, this is also part of LBA. So it is solved in the other video of LBA. You can just directly as it is. Find the 20th term. So A20 will be A plus 19D. 4 plus 19 into D is 7 minus 4, which is 3. So you get the answer. The sum of second and fourth term of an AP is 54. Okay, we will solve this. Sum of second and fourth term, that is A2 plus A4 is equal to 54. And sum of first 11 terms, S11 is 693. So find the AP. First we will find the AP. I think this is a good question which we can solve. So we've got A2 plus A4 is equal to 54 and S11 is equal to 693. First we'll do this, then we'll take which term of this, find the AP. First let's find the AP and then we'll take the next part. Okay, what do we have here? S11, 693 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus 11 minus 1 into d, or 693 into 2 by 11. 11 1, 11 6 are 66, 11 3 are is equal to 2a plus 10d. 63 into 2 will be, or 63 2 I will take it common, a plus 5d. So we have got one equation here, and one more, a2 will be a plus d and a4 will be a plus 3d is 54. So 2a plus 4d is 54. So a plus 2d is equal to 26. This is second equation. So we've got a plus 5d as 63 from here. So if you subtract this minus this, we get 3d is equal to 63 minus 26. 3d is equal to 63 minus 30 would be 33 plus 4 is 54 divided by 2. This will be 27. So 36. So D is equal to 12. If we use D as 12 here, we get A is equal to 12 5s are 63. So the AP is 3 comma 12 plus 3 is 15 comma plus 12 is 27 and so on. We got the AP. Now which term of this progression, which term means AN is 132 more than its 54th term, that is 54th term ಕಿಂತ 132 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. So which term is it? So which we have to find n for this condition. So we have AN is equal to 132 plus A54. We have to find n. So what is AN? AN is A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 132 plus what is A54? A54 is A plus 53D. Okay, A cancels. Now n minus 1 into what is D? D is 12. 12 is equal to 132 plus 53 into 12, or 12n minus 12 is equal to 132 plus 53 into 12. So I'll take this 12 this side. 12n is equal to 132 plus 12 is 144 plus 53 into 12. Why I am not multiplied is because I am seeing 12 in all the terms. So n is equal to 12n is equal to 144. I'll write as 12 into 12 plus 53 into 12. So 12 into 12 plus 53 is 12n. 12 cancel, n is equal to 65. So the 65th term will be 132 more than this one. Okay, similarly the first and last term are 3 and 253. If 20th term of the progression is 98. So this is also a repeated question. Above one of the question paper it is there, similar one. I think you can do this. Or let me solve it. It is better because I have asked for the last 10. I'll take this out. This is a good let me solve this. Okay. Okay. The first and last term. So we have A1 is equal to 3 and L is equal to 253. If the 20th term of the progression is 98, that is A20 is 98, then find AP is what they have told. Okay, what is A20? A20 is nothing but A plus 19D is 98. So A is 3. 3 plus 19D is 98. So 19D is 98 minus 3 is 95. We get D is 5. Alright. So find the sum of the last 10 terms. From the end we have to find the last 10 terms. Before that, let us find, we know A, we know D. A is known, A is 3 and D is 5. Last term L is 253. So what happens now? What is the AP? AP will be 3 comma 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 will be 8 plus 3 is 11 and so on till 253. Now we know the formula to find from first to last. Do we know the formula to find from last to last in the? Do we know the formula? Gottilla. So what do we do is what is the previous term to 253? Common difference is 5. So this will be 248, right? Like this only we can get the terms. So it is as good as coming from the back. So what I will do is I will flip the AP. Let us flip the AP. Then it becomes 253, 248, so and so up to now 11, 8 and 3. Okay. Now we will find the sum of first 10 terms. ಈ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕೊನೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ 10 terms ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So now we have A is equal to 253, D is equal to -5 and N we want as 10. So Sn is equal to 10 by 2 into twice of 2A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to 5 into 3 2s are 6, 0, 1 2 2 4 plus 1, 506 plus n is 5, 5 minus 4, 4 into minus 5 would be minus 20. So is equal to 5 into 506 minus 20 is 486. So we can solve this. May 22 common difference is 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 3. If A is the first term, D is the common difference, nth term. So An is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Find the 30th form. 30th A 30 is equal to A plus 29D. A is 5, D is 3. So you can solve this. Find the sum of first 20 terms. Okay, this is also very easy. Find the sum of first 20 positive integers. Positive integers will be 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So they want n as 20, A as 2 and D is equal to 2. So you put the formula, you can solve it. The sum of 9 terms of an AP is 144. So S9 is 144 and A9 is 28. Find the first term and common difference of the AP. I think this also can be solved. This is also easy. Okay.